Hi, my name is Angelica and my pronouns are she, her, and hers.
Hi, my name is Aracelis and my pronouns are she, her, and hers.
And we live in Werth. My favorite thing about living at Werth is its location, seeing that we just have to walk across the field and then we'll pretty much be in the center of campus, making it really easy to get to our classes, and we're not that far away from our dining hall or some of our lectures, student union, or even gamble. It was really easy to make friends here because we're all a part of the innovation learning community, which means that we all have to go to events, we're a part of the same unit class, and we all live across the hall from one another, so it made it really easy to be a part of this community.
I think the best part about living in the learning community is that we're part of a community, and we also go on a lot of field trips. So our first field trip went to an escape room, and it was a big team building activity within our innovation learning community.
You truly love being a part of it just because you're with a group of people who you feel like you can struggle together with. A lot of our learning communities are major oriented, so a lot of the times you're taking the same class as your neighbor or someone across the hall, and we can really gather to just try and tackle some of the challenges we may face as a first year student.
Our RA, Clyde, we love Clyde. He introduced himself the minute we moved in, and so ever since he's been very helpful in terms of classes, which courses we should be taking in each semester. He also gives us the information on events that's going on in UConn. He's just a very helpful and open person.
One prime example of this is one day we were both stressing about our majors and if we were going down the right path in life, and Clyde sat down with us and actually gave us some really useful advice on what we can do to really boost our confidence.